Good morning, dear friends. To this video, once again, I am going to discuss the few illustration of set theory. So the problem is there are 200 individuals with the skin disorder. 120 had been exposed to the chemical C1, 50 to chemical C2, and 30 to both the chemicals C1 and C2. So find the number of individuals exposed to that. Means first question is exposed to the chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Second is chemical C2 but not chemical C1. Then third part is chemical C1 or chemical C2. These are the three questions that we have to answer. So how the solution will be? I have just supposed U for the universal set and A set of individual exposed to the chemical C1 and B is a set of individual exposed to the chemical C2. So universal set is given, that means 200 individuals, that means this is the universal set. And A is the set for the set of individuals exposed to the chemical C1. So 120 had been exposed to the chemical C1. So I have written N is equal to 120 and NB is equal to 50. That is the persons who are exposed to the chemical C2 and 30 to both the chemical C1 and C2. Both means that means we have to consider the intersection. N A intersection B is equal to 30. So the first part is chemical C1 but not chemical C2. That means we want to find the number of individuals who are exposed to the chemical C1 but not chemical C2. That means Na difference B. A means exposed to the chemical C1 but not exposed to the chemical C2. Not for the not we have taken the difference sign. So the how the formula is Na minus Na intersection B. Here Na is 120 and Na intersection B is 30. So answer will be 90. These are the person who are exposed to the chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Now, second part is chemical C2 but not chemical C1. Chemical C2 means that is NB difference A is equal to NB minus NA intersection B. So here NB is given already. This is 50 and A intersection B is given 30. So we are taking 50 minus 30, that is 20. 20 are the individual who are exposed to the chemical C2 but not chemical C1. Now we have to find the third part is that is chemical C1 or chemical C2. So or means we have to find the union. Na union B is equal to Na plus Nb minus Na intersection B. Na is already given 120. This is 50 minus 30. So we are getting 140 individuals who are exposed to both chemical A1 or chemical B, C1 or C2. So this is the questions of that be how the individual are exposed to one thing and not to the other thing. This is the one illustration. Now I'm explaining another illustration. A survey of 500 television watches produced the following information. 285 watch football, 195 watch hockey, 115 watch basketball, 45 watch football and basketball, 70 watch football and hockey, 50 watch hockey and basketball, 50 do not watch any of three games. So how many watch all the three games? This is the first question we have to answer. And how many watch exactly one of the three games? This is the second questions we have to answer. So the how the solution will be, I have just exposed FHB for the viewers who watch football, hockey and basketball. So universal set is given 500. Football who see the football, that is 285, and who see the hockey, that is 195. It's mentioned in the statement. And who see the basketball, that is 115, and 45 watch football and basketball. That means F intersection B 45, F intersection H is a 70, and 50 watch hockey and basketball, that is this one. And 50 do not watch any of the three games. Do not watch means we have just to consider F union B union H complement. Complement means they don't like anything. That means there are the 50 persons like that. So we are given the 50 the person who do not like any games. So N F union B union H complement. So the formula will be, if there is a complement given, we can write formula universal set minus FH union B. So this is a formula I have used in this step. This is given, I can write in the right hand side 500 minus 50. So there is the 450. 450 persons are like that, F union H union like B. So I am just putting the formula as I have already mentioned in the previous videos. There are the various formula. This is for the three set formula: NF plus NH plus NB minus NF intersection H, F H intersection B, B intersection F plus NF intersection H intersection B is equal to, this is 450 is given. I have just used the formula here. So substituting the values here, I am getting 20 persons are like that who view football, who watch football, hockey and basketball. So number of viewers watching all the three games is 20. Number of viewers watching football alone. If we want to find the football alone, that means I will take the formula NF football. That means not hockey, not basketball. Not for the not symbol, we are using complement. So how the formula will be? NF minus NF, F intersection H, then F intersection B plus NF intersection H intersection B. So all the values are given in the, this I have already mentioned here. All values are given. So we are using here this one. This is the 190. Now number of viewers watching hockey alone. If we want to find the hockey alone means we will not mention the football viewers and basketball. Not symbol, we will using complement. So hockey C, but don't see this thing. That means F complement and B complement. Formula will be NH, then H intersection F, then H intersection B plus NF intersection H intersection B. Again, substituting this formula, I will get this one. The next is number of viewers watching basketball alone. Basketball alone means, that means B. Not hockey, not football. Not hockey means H complement, F complement. So substituting these values, I am getting this one. But in the questions, it is mentioned that how many watch all the three games, how many watch exactly one of the three games. When there is a word of exactly means we have to take hockey only, then football only, then basketball only. We have to calculate all of these, then we have to add, then we will get the exactly one of the three games. So that's why we have calculated number of viewers watching basketball alone, then we have calculated number of viewers watching hockey alone and number of viewers watching football alone. That's why we have calculated three steps and then we can add. This is the question of exactly one of the three games. So this is the answer of this question. Thanks dear friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with other also.